When you come out to do a starter motor replacement and the car keeps starting, needs a new starter motor. Oh, there we go, it stopped working again. Brilliant. So it does that. So I'm convinced that it needs a new starter motor. Yeah. Because that click click, it's a bit of a setup. And I've got my boosters back on it. Let's have a look. So you guys got to see firsthand what it might look like when you're starting. Even I was like, whoa, what's going on here? But yeah, definitely needs a new starter motor. So just in your car parts, this is the starter motor, old one, and this is the new one. The burn is hell up.